Hi, everybody. My name's Ed Simmons, and I'm going to be teaching 8th grade history this year. I just wanted to give you a kind of a little open house, give you an idea where to find some information, and welcome you guys to my classroom. A lot of information is going to be found on my website, my class website. If you go to bremertonschools.org, sometimes it helps to put www in front of it to get there. You can change to our school, Mountain View Middle School. And then there's a blue bar in the middle of the page that will take us to the staff sites. Oops, right here are the staff sites. And then my name can be found right here. And this is going to take us to our active classroom. Now you're going to see in my classroom that I'm teaching 8th grade American history. I have 4 sections of that. And then I have 1 section of the 6th grade wheel tech. Some of my 8th graders have had me a couple years ago when they were in that elective class. And I'm glad to have them again. You're going to notice here on my splash screen, my home page, that we have Google Classroom codes. Now, I'm hoping that all of the kids have been invited behind the scenes so that you're able to get into my classroom the way that it is. You should have been given an invite. Just click on join and you should be good to go. You'll also notice down here that we have a calendar for our history class, and we have a calendar for our 6th grade Will Tech class and for our homeroom. So these are updated. Anytime we put anything into classroom, they'll be updated. So if you're looking for information, parents, just come to this website and you'll find information in those places. Now, obviously, I haven't put any assignments in yet, but as soon as they get in there, they'll be populated automatically into these places. So if you're looking for information, great place to find some information. For 8th grade history, once again, I put the class codes there to help in case somebody gets confused. This gives a basic overview. Basically, what we're looking at is we're looking at the United States from when people showed up. All kinds of people showed up, not just the European arrival, through Reconstruction. And we're going to be using Apex Learning as our primary source while we're asynchronous, while we have time away from the classroom. And so Apex Learning is an online curriculum that provides some resources and some lessons and some activities to try to fill in some holes so that we can try to provide a cohesive learning opportunity. We have same old with the district grading scale. I'm going to ask that kids check their Google Classroom every day, and they check their email every day. And we're going to show kids how to do that just to make sure that they're staying on top of things in case something gets pushed out at the last second. They'll be on top of things so that they're will minimize the confusion. We have a daily schedule. Our daily schedule is a little bit weird, but it's going to work out okay for us. You'll notice on the daily schedule, I apologize. Here we go. On the daily schedule, we have the times. Notice class periods do not start at 8 o'clock. We know it's difficult for kids to get up early in the morning. The teachers are going to be working at 8 o'clock, but the class periods will be starting. First period on Monday will be at 11 o'clock, second period at 12. Then we have a lunch period, then 3 o'clock. Third period is at 1:15. Okay, so that's the way it works. On Tuesday, 4, 5, and 6. Wednesday, our first day of school, we're only going to be seeing homeroom, and that's going to be at 11 o'clock. All right. The cool thing about it is we see them twice a week. And then at the end of the day, if you need some extra assistance, you need some more help, you just want to check in, you need somebody to talk to, we have office hours, and they're going to be links for some Zoom or Google Meets so that you can meet up with other people and get some support. You'll also notice across the top that I have contact information. There's contact information. How do you contact me? ed.simmons@bremertonschools.org. But you can also just click on this link here. Here's my phone number to my classroom. I plan on being in my classroom during the school days, my snail mail. And then here are some contacts for some other people in the building. Okay? I have a biography, and I'm not going to take your time to share that with you right now. Please feel free to look it over. And then over here's more, hopefully. Oh, for some reason, more is not showing up. Underneath more, we have a page Maybe if I move this. There we go. So, middle school suggestions for success. These are just timeless ways to prepare yourself. Many of the ideas have to do with time when you're coming to school, but a lot of them have to do with any kind of learning. And then how to get information. This is one of the things that we've had parents share some frustrations about. I don't know how to get information. How do I get information? I need to know what's going on. We have Google Classroom. Kids will be enrolled in Google Classrooms in every classroom. They'll be able to see their assignments there. They'll be able to find more details about things. And the Google Classrooms, as I mentioned, are also attached to the school website through my classroom website. You can go to Skyward. Skyward is our student management system. That's where the gradebook is located. And you might say, well, my son or my daughter has access to Skyward, but I don't have access and I'd like to see it myself. Well, you are welcome to get access. If you contact our counseling office, Mrs. Andrews will be happy to take you through the process to get that login information. And the nice thing is you can get in time access to the gradebook. So when I put something in, you get immediate access to that. The Google Calendars, if you or the kids go to the calendar, well, especially the kids, all of their assignments show up on an actual calendar. So you go to google.com, go to the waffle in the upper right-hand corner, choose calendar, and everything is in that one spot. So if you're wondering what's going on with your kid, ask them to see their calendar, and you'll see, and then you can click on the links and get the details right inside there. Email. For me, the fastest way for me to get information back to you is through email. You are always welcome to call me. It's 360-473-0685. And you're welcome to contact me by phone, but sometimes that's not the quickest way to get in touch with me. We have the school and teacher web pages. I showed you where to get to them, and I have a link down here for our school and for our staff site. So I just wanted to give you a place where hopefully you have a clearinghouse of places to go so that you can try to find information, so you don't get frustrated, because we have a lot of things that are going on here, and we've changed a lot, and we're all feeling awkward. We're all feeling nervous. We're all feeling anxiety, and we just want everyone to be able to get through this process in the most graceful way as possible. Okay? If you have a concern, please don't ever hesitate to contact me. It's really important that we try to get any frustrations taken care of early so that they don't become problems. If you're not sure of something, or if something doesn't seem clear, or something seems really weird and that doesn't seem right, ask me. I'll be more than happy to talk to you or figure out what the situation is. And if I need to change something or make an adjustment, I will happily do so. And then this is the one that's really the kicker for us. All of us are in an awkward position right now. And I think it's going to be vital for all of us to show a little bit of grace. We're going to screw up. All of us are. Parents, students, especially the teachers. This is all new for all of us. When that happens, assume that we have the best of intentions, because I'm going to assume that you do also. And we're just going to try to work through it as opposed to get angry or get frustrated by it. Please don't ever, ever, ever hesitate to contact me or to clarify what's going on. And then one of my colleagues said something in a meeting yesterday that kind of hit home. It says, you don't have to be comfortable to be okay. I know we're going through a lot of stuff. We're all feeling uncomfortable, but I think through this process, we're going to end up being okay. And I'm excited. I'm excited for my new position. I taught history for years and years and years before I worked in the library, and I'm thrilled to be back teaching history again. So please don't ever hesitate to give me a call, to contact me, email me. I'm excited about having your kids in my class, and I look forward to a fantastic year.